Happy Thursday, everybody. My name is Kanika Kush, and I am drawing your attention to an article today on the left top corner on page 1 in Times of India, which is reporting an incident about a child, a boy, a young boy in Chennai who gave up his life because a customer spoke badly to him. Right, so he, I think, is a delivery boy, and of course, the newspaper decided to also tell us his qualification, which is BCom. Now, why the video? I'm going to be speaking about one aspect of what hit me and what am I trying to bring to your notice. But before I even start to speak about it, here are a few aspects that will emerge. That always emerge actually with any incident or any event that happen, but we tend to mix them all up. So let's say we hear that incident. First of all, God bless his soul. And I don't know what the family is going to do. But then again, we live in a country where our lives are like Athanni and Chavanni, and that's just how it is. But let's move on. The aspects that can be covered in an article like this, that we can actually think about or understand, are seven according to me. I'm sure there are more, but I when I was thinking about it, these were the top seven that came in. When I looked at it objectively. First is economic, second is financial aspect, third is business aspect, fourth is educational aspect, fifth aspirational aspect, sixth human aspect, and seventh emotional aspect. Now, the top five, when I said economic, financial, business, and education, this is all a mix. We are seeing it everywhere. I mean, I have a teenager as a son. I am seeing it, and it takes me a lot of distancing from the events to understand exactly what's going on. But that said, we are all part of the system. What am I speaking about? I'm speaking about जो होड़ लगी हुई है to get to some place which is not really giving you what you want. Yet everybody is just not backing off. Instead, everybody, even though we are living in a world of like insane abundance and insane opportunities, even then, we all somehow are not being able to distinguish or move a step further, like move above the previous centuries, which were on scarcity. Therefore, a job was needed, which is why education was needed. Thus, aspiration was needed, financial freedom was needed, which together got the countries to a place of economic stability. Right. So when I say economics, finance, business, education, that's how I'm bringing them all together in a very like meta level. Right. I mean, ऐसे होता है. अब हम सब यूनिट्स हैं, वी आर ऑल यूनिट्स इंक्लूडिंग दिस चाइल्ड हु, उसका दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होगा, तो आई डोंट नो, ओके, आई एम जस्ट इमेजिनिंग. सो उसके दिमाग में ये चल रहा होगा कि ओके फाइन, आई एम अ बी कॉम. उसके पेरेंट्स के, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज फैमिली बैकग्राउंड इज, बट पॉइंट इज़ दैट मे बी जी बच्चे ने कॉमर्स में ले लिया है ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री, तो अभी नौकरी नहीं मिल रही क्योंकि वेल मार्केट डाउन है. वो मुझे समझ नहीं आता, आया देर नो जॉब्स. सो आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट, एंड दिस कुड बी कमिंग आउट ऑफ ignorance. I completely agree. Yet I have the right to voice my opinion, and that's what I'm doing. So my point is, this child would have had aspirations and maybe he didn't get a job. So then इसके माँ बाप ने या किसी ने या इसने खुद ने बोला होगा, मैं ना एक काम करता हूँ, जब तक मुझे नौकरी नहीं मिलती तब तक मैं ना ये वाला काम कर लेता हूँ. Because well, a couple of businesses like these, because well, the people who are moneyed, including myself, okay, and privileged and entitled, we want stuff at now, like at a blink of an eye. Forget like 7 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 20 मिनट, 30 मिनट या एक दिन नहीं. हमें चाहिए, मेरे दिमाग में अभी आया तो जी अभी कुछ प्रोड्यूस होना चाहिए. नाउ नेचुरली दैट इज कॉजिंग केओस, राइट. नाउ द वंस जिनके बिजनेसेस हैं, दैट्स व्हाई आई मेंशन बिजनेस, वो उनकी चांदी हो रही है. बिकॉज वो मतलब इतने स्ट्रिक्ट कंडीशंस में दे आर लाइक हायरिंग पीपल, हायरिंग, फायरिंग, एंड रेट एंड मुझे रेट करो. एवरीबडी इज नाउ वॉकिंग टॉकिंग रेटिंग. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट इज हैपनिंग. These topics really piss me off. So I'm not going to talk about them too much, okay? My point is, somebody lost his life. And yeah, there's a spiritual realm also, which I forgot to mention, which is number 8. Interesting, it's falling at number 8, which is like, infinity. But there is a spiritual realm which says that, look, everything that's happening is going to happen and nobody can control it. I understand. लेकिन यार हम तो वहाँ spiritual, मैं तो नहीं हूँ spiritual realm में 24 घंटे. मैं तो I'm part of this world. I am drawing your attention or bringing your attention now to the human and emotion aspect to it. Can I individually control how the economies of this country or the world are working? No, I can't. I forget I can't. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता है, मुझे समझ ही नहीं है तो मैं क्या कंट्रोल करूँगी ना, मुझे इंटरेस्ट है, but still I'm part of it. So it's messed up there. Number two is finance. Can I control the finance? By finance I mean the money exchanges happening between XYZ people. No, मेरे तो खुद के finances are messed up, मैं क्या किसी का करूँगी, right? So that's out of the window. Number three, business. Can I go and tell the owners of these businesses that boss ऐसे ऐसे मत करो आप, यू नो, आई एम ऑल्सो अ कंज्यूमर, सो इतना क्रिटिकल कैसे हो सकती हूँ, मुझे भी तो चाहिए, आई एम ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ इट, राइट? Number four, education. Can I really? I wish I can. This bit, I swear to God, I wish I could change the education system of this country, because I seriously feel that's where everything lies. Everything. And education, not information, not all this race that's going on. But moving on. Right now, can I? No, I can't. I cannot control कि जी कैसे सिलेबस कौन डिसाइड कर रहा है, क्यों डिसाइड कर रहा है, ये क्यों करिकुलम है, बिकॉज वेल अ लॉट ऑफ इट इज मेकिंग सेंस ऑल्सो. सो अगेन मेरे को उतना नॉलेज है ही नहीं कि जी कुछ चेंज कर सकते हैं, है ना? सो हियर्स मी देन कमिंग, देयर इज अनदर वन, एस्पिरेशंस. Aspiration is an invisible thing. I can't control anybody's aspirations, you know. I work on my aspirations. वो भी are mostly invisible to me, and as and when they keep coming out, then well, I enact on them. I mean, I act upon them and I bring them out. Now, the remaining two, which is humans, humanism, or being a human, and being emotional or understanding emotions. These two places I feel कुछ हो सकता है. अगेन आपका इमोशन मैं कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकती, लेकिन आपके अंदर वो इमोशन ना आए वो मैं कंट्रोल कर सकती हूँ बाय बीइंग अ ह्यूमन. What does being a human mean? I feel a lot of us are misusing the word being a human for kind of a very happy and convenient excuse. But I'm human at the end of the day. Sure. But we also see that people are doing random stuff and saying, yeah, but we are human. No, being a human also gives us immense power to keep changing ourselves all the time and to be very, very mindful of our actions on a daily basis, provided you understand what you're doing, right? Now, why this video and why am I speaking about being a human in this particular news article? मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट है यार सबसे, कैन वी नाउ जस्ट ट्राई एंड रिमेंबर, आज के लिए चलो कल भूल जाएंगे, आज के लिए आपके घर पे आएंगी 50 डिलीवरियाँ, राइट? देयर बी क्लोथिंग, देयर बी फूड, देयर बी सर्विसेज, आएंगे आज 100% आएंगे. मेरे तो आज नहीं आया पर शाम तक आएगा, मेरा भी फूड डिलीवरी आएगा. आज के लिए कह रही हूँ, जब आए कोई आपके घर पे, I understand that not all of us are similar and you may not want to give out the same treatment that maybe I do. But जो यहाँ से आ रहा है ना, जो ये मुंह से निकल रहा है, क्या आज हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं कि अगर वो इंसान लेट हो गया, अगर कुछ भी हो गया, खाना आपका लेट आया, डिलीवरी आपकी लेट आई, क्या हम एक दिन ट्राई कर सकते हैं दैट वी आर नॉट रूड विद दैट पर्सन और एक्ट एज इफ वी ओन दैट पर्सन, बिकॉज a few hundreds or thousands were spent and we are so up into that alley of entitlement that we are forgetting that we all are in service of something or somebody, right? So hum please just be kind when a person, you know, knocks on your door or rings the bell. स्माइल मत दो यार, ठीक है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, नहीं कि हाय भैया कैसे हो आप, यू नो, लाइक अ जनरल चिट चैट, ठीक है, एवरीबडी इज बिजी, आई गेट इट. Do not be rude. Don't be rude. Don't be. Just be kind. Say thank you भैया and that's it. Thank you. वहाँ वो हम कर सकते हैं, आई फील. चाहे वो जली कटी सब्जियां दे रहा है, चाहे वो टूटा हुआ सामान डिलीवर कर रहा है, चाहे वो 2 घंटे लेट आ रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, आज के लिए कैन वी द नेक्स्ट पर्सन. एंड वाइल आई स्पीक टू यू, आई एम श्योर बहुत घंटियाँ बजी होंगी, डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ मेनी पीपल दिस वीडियो इज रीचिंग आउट टू. Just for today, just smile and say thank you भैया. भैया ही होते हैं mostly. There are few women that come and deliver, whoever it is. Thank you दीदी, thank you भैया. Or if you know their name, then because नाम आता है, हर बार आता है नाम कि this person has entered the society. I mean, imagine यार, imagine if I were a delivery person coming to your house, it would be so amazing if somebody said thank you Kanika. That's it. Because then I will pay it forward. You would have made my day. So please make somebody's day today if you can. That's it. That's all that I wanted to say on the human and emotional level. Spiritual also I feel like speaking and the rest of them, but that for another day. This for today. Have a nice day. Bye.